Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make zucchini carrot fritters. When you have too many zucchini, this is a great recipe to use them up. They're crispy, tasty, and very quick to make. I'm using 2 medium zucchini, 2 medium carrots, half of a small onion grated, little lemon zest, parsley. It's optional and you can substitute another herb like cilantro if you like. All-purpose flour, salt, ground black pepper, and garlic powder. To cook the fritters, we'll need some olive oil or vegetable oil. I'm not using any eggs in this recipe, so it's suitable for vegetarians who don't eat eggs. Trim the top end off the zucchini and the bottom end off the carrots. Grate the zucchini and carrots on the large holes of a box grater or a food processor. Put it right into a bowl. Grate the carrots. And half of a small onion grated. Chop the parsley. And zest the lemon right over the bowl. A tablespoon of lemon zest, just 6 ingredients. Add the salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Mix that up. Everything's mixed well. Now we can add the flour. Add a little bit at a time. This is about 1/4 cup. A little bit more. That looks good. So I used about 1/2 cup of flour. Heat up a wide pan. Pour a little olive oil or vegetable oil just to coat the bottom of the pan. We're not deep frying this. When the oil's hot, we'll drop heaping tablespoons of the batter. Spread the batter out a little so they're flat and cook evenly. Cook for a few minutes on both sides until golden brown. There will be some liquid collecting at the bottom of the bowl, so you can add a little bit more flour if you need to. They're golden brown on both sides. Put them on a paper towel lined plate. I added a little bit more flour to the remaining batter. You'll get 6 to 8 fritters with this recipe. They're very tasty. They're great served with a wedge of lemon. You can also serve them with ketchup, especially for kids. I like them with ketchup too. Sour cream with some chives or parsley is also nice with these fritters. They're crispy on the outside. The vegetables are nicely cooked. It's a quick and tasty snack. I hope you guys try this recipe to use up all that extra zucchini. Share this video and subscribe for more recipes. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.